Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. While oil prices fall globally, Jamaican drivers will pay more at the pump. Global crude oil prices fell sharply on Tuesday on the ceasefire between Israel and Iran. The price of American benchmark crude West Texas Intermediate Cushing for August delivery fell by US $4.14 or 6% to close at $64.37 per barrel. The British benchmark crude North Sea Brent blend dropped by $3.66 or 5% to $67.82 per barrel. However, in Jamaica, all categories of fuel will see increases effective Thursday. Each gas station will make adjustments to the prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. The Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, through its 20 agencies and departments, hosted its flagship SME Business Roadshow at the Manning School in Westmoreland last Wednesday, June 18. A total of $3 million in grants was awarded through the micro and small business pitch competitions, with 5 small business winners receiving $400,000 each and 5 micro businesses winners receiving $200,000 each. There were 40 separate exhibitors who showcased a wide range of products from fresh farm, produce, jewelry, beauty products, agro-processed products, and novel ICT services. The next stop on the SME Business Roadshow is scheduled for Manchester in July. Tropical Battery is again extending the closing date for its $1.79 billion additional public offer APO of shares. The company says institutional investors such as pension funds and insurance companies need more time to assess the viability of the issue. This extension will result in the offer being closed on July 4, following an earlier extension from June 6 to June 20. For the trading period ending June 25, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 2,760,699 units traded, representing 16.55% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 2,137,764 units traded, representing 12.82% of market sales volume. Caribbean investment conglomerate JMB Group Limited with 1,571,458 units traded, representing 9.42% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On June 25, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $73.39 million purchased and US $67.29 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.80 per dollar, selling the US at $161.28 and buying the US at $159.48. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 54 cents per transaction, with selling at $117.57 and buying at $117.03. The British pound yielded Forex traders $3 in profits, with selling at $219.44 and buying at $216.44. For our credit report tip of the day, when life gives you a fresh start, your credit score can be the catalyst that propels you forward. By improving your credit, you don't just gain access to financing, you gain the confidence and freedom to pursue new goals without the burden of collateral. Embrace this opportunity to rewrite your financial story and unlock the resources you need to build the life you envision. Here are some ideas. Qualify for lines of credit. Banks and online lenders may extend unsecured lines of credit based on your credit worthiness alone. Additionally, you can have a reduced need for co-signers. A strong credit score means you're less likely to need a co-signer for loans or leases. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.